Hey there everyone, Corey here with Technically Technic. We're inside of Texas right now. We're just gonna show you what she sounds like. It's about maybe 20 degrees outside. Fucking love Marseilles. Anyway, alright. Here we go. She purrs. She's got a bit of squeaking. Depends on the day. Radio looks real nice. Got them indoor lights going. Got our fuzzy dice. Got our American flag, hell yeah. But everything looks good. Oil pressure's been nominal. Well, sort of at least. 133,000 miles on there. Getting closer to 134. Wow. Yep, this is the inside of Texas. Nice blue radio. Wish I could figure out how to change the fucking color, but yeah, I like it. Matches the indoor lights. But yeah, this is Texas. And hopefully one of these days we're going to get some of these made for you guys. Minus it's not Bow Reunion. We're going to have Boney Racing one day. Eventually after the Army or whenever I decide to make them. Kick my ass about it. If you guys want them, let me know. But here we go one more time. And that power steering pump is so bad. It's probably what's squeaking underneath there. But yeah, a little low on fuel, but she's okay. Battery's been okay. Wiper's doing alrighty. So this is just Texas. She's got dual tanks, lights, and yeah, this is Tex. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll hopefully see you in the future. Have a good one.